Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you a 100% trusted SMM panel for purchasing social media services, where you can get all kinds of social media services at low prices with fast delivery. The name of the panel is Justanotherpanel. The link is provided in my video description. Just click on it and you'll be taken directly to the website. Once you are on the website, scroll down and click on the Sign Up button. Then enter your username, email, first name, last name, Skype number, and password. After that, click on I'm not a robot, tick I have read and agreed with the terms of service, and finally, click on the Sign Up button. After creating your account, a link will be sent to your Gmail. Open your Gmail and click on Confirm. To buy services from this website, you first need to deposit funds into your account. To deposit, click on the three-dot menu, then click on Add Funds. Click on the Payment option, then select Payeer, PayPal, cryptocurrency, or BNB. Next, choose the amount of dollars you want to add and click Pay. Click on Payeer, then click Confirm. Click on to pay the bill. Log into your Payeer account by entering your login ID and password, then click Go Next. You will receive a code in your Gmail. Enter the code and click Go Next again. Click Confirm, and the payment will be automatically added to your account. After that, return to the website to continue. After returning to the website, click on the three-dot menu, then click on New Order. Next, click on the service category and select Instagram AI Growth Monthly Package. Then click on Instagram Growth Package, Monthly Package, Standard, approximately 1,000 followers per month. In the link field, enter the link to your Instagram account. The price for this service is $41.25, and the service details are provided in the description. Please check the description carefully. Then click Submit to place your order. Within 0 to 48 hours, the panel authorities will start processing your order. Now I will show you how to buy followers for your Facebook page from here. To buy followers, click on Facebook page likes, then click on Facebook page likes plus followers all page. In the link field, enter the link to your Facebook page. Enter the quantity you want, then click Submit. The order will start processing within 0 to 6 hours. Details are provided in the description. Feel free to check them. Now I will show you how to buy subscribers for your YouTube channel. To buy subscribers, click on YouTube Subscribers, then click on the first service. In the link field, enter your YouTube channel link, and in the quantity field, enter the number of subscribers you want to buy. With this service, you can get 1,000 subscribers for just $1.84. To place the subscriber order, click Submit. The order will take 5 to 6 days to complete. From this website, you can purchase all kinds of social media services at the best prices with fast delivery. So don't wait. Visit Justanotherpanel now. The link will be in the video description and the pinned comment.